Good morning. We will start class 9th economics chapter, the story of village Palampur. First chapter here talks about the story of village Palampur. We will focus on the concept that lies in this chapter. So the concept for this chapter is basically the factor of production. Now what are basic factor of production? So many resources which is used to make either goods or services would be a kind of factor of production. There are four basic factor that we work around which the whole economy rotate. So you have start with this understanding why and how we can apply the concept of factor of production. To understand the concept of production, let us discuss the story of hypothetical village called Palampur. So first we understand what is hypothetical village. Hypothetical means the imaginary village और इमेजिन किया हुआ विलेज जो है उसकी हम स्टोरीज में समझेंगे और उसके बाद फैक्टर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन को समझेंगे. द इमेजिनरी विलेज स्टोरी हैज़ टेकन अस थ्रू द डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी इन द village. So this chapter talks about the village which is well connected to the nearby towns. Here the agriculture is the main activity in Palampur, whereas several other activities such as small scale manufacturing, dairy, transport, weaving, etc. are carried out on a limited scale. These production activities need various type of resources like natural resource, man-made resource, human efforts, money, etc. Various resources combine to produce the desired goods and services in this village. So this it has a kind of mixture of upper class families and SC, ST. So you have a kind of both kind of houses that is present. They have pakka house as well as kacha house. The village has good electricity connections and has both kind of school and hospitals, that is government or private. Now understanding the concept of government, private, all these life under the ambit of economy. So you have primarily the key to understand the production factor. So what is the basic economy? That is the sustaining that village. Now in India, most of the village sustained by agriculture as the primary economy. However, there are certain villages that are non-agricultural